guys, it's me, Joe from this theme on my channel is Grandma. So, let's get started. I'm really excited that Grandma is coming here. Yeah, maybe it's will have fun. Let's imagine what we're gonna do when Grandma is here. Hey, Grandma! Oh, buddy. Grandma. Okay, Grandma, what are you gonna do? Watch TV. I wanna watch TV? Oh, Grandma, I got this juice or tea. You don't wanna? Okay. Here, Grandma. Get you. Oh, me. Get me. Food. Yes, Grandma. Good morning, yes, bye. Hi, may I buy? May I buy something? Thank you. Grandma, what's happened? Oh my gosh, you're still asking my TV. Please like it's yes, Grandma, so long ago.
Alam ko may mga protesta, pero tanggapin na po natin that it's there to stay for now. Maganda na tayo in advance. Tama. Huwag mo natin pag-aksaya ng oras yan.
Okay, Grandma, let's go. Grandma is so cute. Grandma is on the CR. 10 minutes later. Where's Grandma? She's just on the CR. Oh, Grandma, you're here. You're doing 10 minutes more. Oh, what's that smelly thing? Ew. Grandma, are you pooing? Let me get out of here, okay? So ew. Grandma, surely you make me fun. Scream, embarrassing. Grandma, thank you for letting me laugh. Grandma is really funny. So thanks for watching my video on my channel. Hope you like your grandma. My grandma's two grandmas is now dead, and I hope they're on heaven. So my two grandma is awesome. So don't treat like that to your grandma. Don't. So thanks for watching my video this week on my channel. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.